one of the biggest things I see, 100%. Oh, I see it so often. I see it every day. It'll be somebody who's posting content. They're doing all these things. And the reason that they're not getting results isn't some kind of magic growth hack. It's because I go to their bio or their profile and it's all about like, I don't know, they're a Scorpio, traveler, vegan, whatever it might be. And it's like, what do you do for me? Why do I care? It's not about you.
Yeah, this is LinkedIn, not Tinder.
LinkedIn, but it's the same thing as the dating profile. Like that is a perfect example because that's true on Instagram. It's true on every platform. You need to court me. I don't care about you. I'm here. And if you didn't interest me, like swipe left or right or whatever it is, like I need to know. I think it's like within 8 seconds. It's probably fewer than 8 seconds. People are like, no. And then they move on. And you're like, no.